Are you dreaming of having a turnkey home 2 blocks from Donner Lake? I'm Christy Morrison, your Tahoe Truckee real estate expert, and here we are at 15665 Pine Street. I love this location. You can literally pick your things up and walk 2 blocks over to the private West End beach. This house, as you'll see as we're walking through, has been beautifully upgraded and well maintained. You can see the new hardwood floors. It has 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then look at this gorgeous backyard setting. This is actually fairly rare for this neighborhood in Donner Lake, and you have lots of room to hang out and enjoy a great day at the beach. Also, for overflow guests and maybe sometimes their kids, check out the casita here, a fully 1-bedroom, all self-enclosed structure that you can send your guests, your in-laws, your kids, everyone that you need a little space from. Hope you enjoy this house, and please call, text, or email if you'd like to see it.